Did you know that 90% of serotonin, the feel-good hormone responsible for our good mood, balancing our emotions, and our emotional well-being in general, is produced in the gut? Today, we are diving into one of the most important organs in the body, our gut microbiome. The gut is sort of a trend or a fad term, but what actually is the gut? The gut includes your stomach, your colon, and your intestines, and all of the trillions of bacteria and fungi that live there. In today's video, you will learn how our gut health impacts our mood, how stress can affect the health of our gut, and how practices like meditation and relaxation can improve our gut health and therefore our mood and emotional health. Be sure to stay to the end because I'm sharing one of my favorite gut healing smoothie recipes with you. A healthy gut means we have more energy, better mental clarity, we're able to regulate our emotions better and feel more positive and uplifted, and just feel radiant overall. On the flip side, poor gut health has been related to things like Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases, autoimmune diseases, and mood disorders like depression and anxiety. Half of the cells in your body actually belong to bacteria. These cells that live in your gut are known as microbiota. They aid in digestion and they communicate with your brain. It's said that microbiota influence your mood, your appetite, the foods that you crave, and even your mood and your personality. I'm Linnea Marie Gillingham, certified holistic nutritionist, personal trainer, and hypnotherapist. I'm the creator of the Moon Monarch Nutrition Program, and gut health is a part of that program. If you want the full system, then make sure to check out my video, The Complete Holistic Moon Cycle Aligned Nutrition Guide. In one study regarding gut health, healthy mice with a healthy gut flora were compared to what were called bubble mice with no gut flora. The bubble mice were forgetful and they showed no signs of curiosity. And the healthy mice were the opposite. They had a good memory and they showed signs of being very playful and very curious. Even more interesting, when they took bacteria from a person, a human being showing signs of depression, and transferred them to the bubble mice, the bubble mice started to show the signs of depression. How does gut bacteria influence the way we feel? Gut bacteria produce a variety of psychoactive compounds, including neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, responsible for our happiness and our memory and feeling good. Psychoactive compounds in the gut communicate with the brain via the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve actually sends most of the signals from the gut to the brain. It was once thought that the brain was sending most of the signals to the body, but through science it has now been proven that your gut is actually responsible for communicating with your brain. When unhealthy gut bacteria start to invade the body, immune cells are sent to the scene. And what can happen is these immune cells are then transferred to the brain and create inflammation. Inflammation and depression often go hand in hand. So how do we strengthen the gut barrier, improve the quantity of healthy bacteria, and therefore improve our mood, our energy, our focus, our radiance, our mental clarity? Well, we start by consuming an abundance of foods and rotating our foods, which we do inside of the Moon Monarch nutrition system. We cycle and rotate our foods. Eating lots of fresh foods and providing your stomach with all of the molecules that it needs in order to promote and create serotonin and dopamine. Essential molecules like tyrosine, which is found in nuts and seeds, sesame seeds, seafood, eggs, dried beans, peas, and lentils. Tyrosine helps your body create dopamine. Eating foods that include tryptophan. Tryptophan is what you find in turkey. If you've ever heard someone say, wow, every time I eat the turkey dinner, I just get so tired after, that is because of a molecule called tryptophan. tryptophan helps your body create serotonin. Tryptophan is found in turkey and pumpkin seeds. And then lactic acid, which is found in fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles. These lactic acids found in fermented foods help your body neutralize toxic bacteria, support your immune system, and allow you to absorb more amino acids and minerals and calciums. But that's not the only thing. In order for your gut to digest these foods and properly utilize them, you need to have a strong gut barrier. And how do we do that? By minimizing stress. Stimulating the vagus nerve has actually started to be used as a treatment for depression. And when we meditate and consciously tune to feelings of peace and relaxation, that actually strengthens the gut barrier and increases the signals through the vagus nerve. Meditation has been shown to modify the microbial composition in our gut, leading to a more beneficial balance of bacterial species. Stress can damage your gut. Not only when you're stressed or in fight or flight can your stomach not digest food. That's why our nervous system state, rest and digest, is essential for resting and digesting in order to digest the nutrients and then utilize the nutrients for fuel. We need to be in a rested state. Your central nervous system is directly connected to your gut. That's why stress is often felt in the stomach. Stress management techniques like breathwork exercises and meditation and yoga can minimize stress and promote a good growth of healthy bacteria, and also help you to properly digest the nutrients that you do eat, those healthy, fortifying nutrients like tyrosine and tryptophan and lactic acid that will help your body produce the neurotransmitters that create those good moods like serotonin and dopamine. Here is my favorite flora boosting pro and prebiotic smoothie recipe. You're going to need 1 banana, 1 cup of chopped dandelion greens, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 serving of fermented wheatgrass, a half a cup of unpasteurized sauerkraut, 1 cup of frozen berries, and kefir. All of these foods are rich in dietary fiber and antioxidants, all that help your gut. Sauerkraut is one of those fermented foods that we talked about earlier that includes lactic acid, and lactic acid helps you improve your gut bacteria. All of these ingredients together will make you a perfectly powerful probiotic and prebiotic smoothie. But remember, it is not just about including those foods in your diet, it's also about making sure that you're providing your gut with an environment to thrive, which means promoting relaxation and reducing and minimizing stress as much as possible, slowing down to eat your meals, chewing your food slowly. All of these things are going to help promote a healthy gut, therefore help your mood, to help you feel happy and radiant and energetic and focused. So gut health is just one aspect of holistic nutrition. Be sure to check out my video, The Complete Moon Cycle Aligned Holistic Nutrition Guide, for all 4 of the main components of holistic nutrition, gut health being one. Be sure to hit the like, the subscribe, and the share button, and follow along for more wellness tips and tools. I will be back next week for our waxing moon focus, talking all about musculoskeletal health and just how important it is for overall health and radiance. So I will